Waiting, waiting, and even more waiting. Welcome back, friends of Ai4Autism. In this episode, we're taking a look at the following piece in the Nation.Cymru website. Hundreds of children in Wales left waiting for autism diagnosis. 800 children in Wales have been waiting for more than 2 years for autism diagnosis, new research has revealed. The figures were revealed following a Freedom of Information request by the Welsh Conservatives. In Wales, there are currently 7,258 children on waiting lists to find out if they're on the autism spectrum. Now, 2/3 have waited over 6 months, while 40% have waited for over a year. 22% have been on waiting lists for over 18 months, and 11% have been waiting for a diagnosis for over 2 years. The final figure is likely to be higher, but North Wales Betsy Caldwell Health Board refused to provide figures. In September, over 10,000 patients had waited over 14 weeks for diagnostic and therapy services at Betsy Cad Health Board, the second highest figure in Wales. The Office of National Statistics estimates that 1 in 100 people in the UK have autism. Welsh Conservative Shadow Mental Health Minister James Evans MS said, "Whilst it is understandable that COVID has impacted waiting times, no one would agree it is acceptable for children and parents to wait several months, even years, for an autism diagnosis. That diagnosis could be key to giving a child the support they need in their schools and at home, with teachers and parents feeling more confident in helping them too. Although there is no cure for autism, studies have found that early diagnosis benefits both the parents and children and provides them with the support they need." A Welsh Government spokesperson said, "We are working with people with neurodevelopmental conditions, their families and professionals to make long-term improvements in neurodivergent services across Wales. We have committed an additional £12 million over 3 years to improve services, while strengthening support for families and carers who are waiting for an assessment, including £1.4 million this year to address immediate pressures on services." Last month, the Welsh Government held engagement events across Wales to hear views about potential reforms to the system from professionals, parents and carers. A summary of the feedback received will be published by the Welsh Government. Well, what do you think about that? We know it's happening in different parts of the UK and in Scotland, but here's a report on Wales. What are your thoughts? Share your comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, love, life, and AI.